Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record a duet on TikTok. For instance, if you want to do a reaction video or so on. It's actually very easy to record. First, you'll click on the arrow that you'll normally click on to share. Right above there, that will point into the right. And then you're going to select duet. The two circles that interlock. And then it's going to give you the option to select the layout that you'd like to use. As you see there are 4 options. You can select this one, which is a left and right, and then you can select a reaction. There are 4 different layouts you can use for your screen. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.